Hello students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine in your health and spirits. In continuation of our revision series, today we are going to revise two things in writing, that is application writing and advertisement writing. Now you are thinking, why these things I am going to revise again and again? But dear students, it is very important to gain good marks. Your application writing is having the weightage of 7 marks and your advertisement writing is also having the weightage of 4 marks. And these two topics are that where you can get maximum score for your writing. And so, I hope that all you have to learn advertisement writing and application writing very well. Now you are aware of the style of writing. But once again, we have to revise the thing so it is going to be fixed in our mind. And when you are going to write for the exams, you can get better marks. As usual, as I have noticed earlier, you are doing many mistakes in introduction. Actually that introduction part is called cover letter, जहाँ पे हम ये लिखते हैं कि हमको कैसे पता चला कि यहाँ पे वैकेंसी है. उसके बाद आप अपना छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हो कि मैंने ये स्टडी की है और मैं यहाँ आपको जो फर्म है, कंपनीज़ है, ऑफिस है, स्कूल है, जो भी है वहाँ मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ. और उसके बाद आप अपना कंप्लीट बायोडेटा लिखेंगे. बायोडेटा ऐसा होना चाहिए जो बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन हो, जिससे आपकी पर्सनालिटी की भी उनको समझ पड़े. और उसके बाद एंडिंग वर्ड्स वेयर वी हैव टू रिक्वेस्ट देम फॉर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. वी हैव टू गिव देम द एश्योरेंस दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डू a good work, that you can write at the ending part of your cover letter. And afterwards, whatever the certificates you are sending according to your qualification, that also attached with that application. So ये था हमारा पूरा फॉर्मेट एप्लीकेशन राइटिंग का. एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट राइटिंग, इफ़ वी विल टॉक रिगार्डिंग द एडवर्टाइजमेंट, उसमें दो टाइप की एडवर्टाइजमेंट होती है. एक जो छोटी एडवर्टाइज होती है जो क्लासिफाइड कॉलम में आती है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट. और वहाँ वर्ड लिमिट होती है, दैट इज़ मोस्टली 50 वर्ड्स. उसमें आपको एकदम क्लियर तरीके से छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स और फ्रेज में जो भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट आप करना चाहते हो उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन देना होता है. वहाँ कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स हमें यूज़ करने नहीं है क्योंकि वहाँ वर्ड लिमिट है. और दूसरी जो होती है एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स, जो हम बिग एडवर्टाइजमेंट और वी कैन से सम क्रिएटिव एडवर्टाइजमेंट. इन दैट क्रिएटिव एडवर्टाइजमेंट यू हैव नॉट हैविंग एनी वर्ड लिमिट. उसका कोई स्पेसिफिक कोई ढांचा भी नहीं है कि आपको यही फॉर्मेट में ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखनी है. There you are completely free to use your creativity. उसमें आप छोटा सा ड्राइंग कर सकते हो, छोटे छोटे फ्रेजेस. नेवर राइट इन एडवर्टाइजमेंट फुल सेंटेंस. अट्रैक्टिव फ्रेजेस लिख सकते हो, नंबरिंग का यूज़ कर सकते हो. आपको एक बॉक्स बना के पूरी एडवर्टाइजमेंट तैयार करनी है. सो देयर ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट वेरी गुड मार्क्स. So now I am going to send you 2 videos of application writing and advertisement writing that you have to see, and accordingly you have to write in your book. So practice it very well so we can do the work very nicely. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello students. How are you all? Hope you all will be in fine condition. As you know, we have completed e-learning of 3 poems and 3 lessons. Hope you all have enjoyed the session and you have learned very nicely. Today we are going to discuss the topic application writing. As you know, there are many kinds of application writing. Suppose you want to leave, you can going to write an application that is called leave application. If you want some certificates from the school, that is bona fide certificate, leaving certificate, you have to write one application letter. But today we are going to discuss a job application. The application letter when you want some job and you are going to write a letter, that is called job application. So we have learned many examples of these job applications in 11th standard also. And as you know, in our Gujarat board paper, there will be 7 marks question in your writing section for job application. And job application letter is very easy. With little bit of your knowledge and preparation, you are able to secure good marks. So prepare job application letters very nicely. Here is one pamphlet for you. Write an application for the post of an account teacher in reply to an advertisement in a newspaper. Apply with detailed biodata. Here, as an example, I am going to give you, and so I have not mentioned the address, but in bold paper, probably you will get both the address. The address of who is going to write an application and the address where you have to write an application. So first of all the things now you have to write in the one place only, that is in the right direction. So here your address will also come. So first of all you have to write your full address. After writing your address, either it will be given in the paper, otherwise you have to write your own address. After writing address, as you see, you have to write the date. Please focus the way how the date is going to be written. After writing the date, you have to write to whom you are going to write this application. That is the principal or the general manager, regional manager, whatever is given in the paper. So with the address you are going to write. Then you have to mention the subject, that is application for the post of here as account teacher. So subject application for the post of account teacher. After that you have to write some introductory lines. So you have to always remember these lines properly, because in most of the application you can use this line as your starting lines. That is, with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated so and so, I take the opportunity to send my application for the above mentioned post. No need to write every time the same things, that is account teacher. So you can use the word above mentioned post. I hold the necessary qualification and enclosed my detailed biodata for your kind consideration. Students, you have to remember sometimes the word resume is also used for biodata. Now you have to write your complete biodata. Starts with your name, age, date of birth, language you know, mother tongue, nationality, and contact number. All these things you have to write in a very nice manner. After giving this introduction, you have to give your education qualifications. So here it is teachers for the job of a teacher. So we have to start that with B.Ed. And remember, never start with your SSC, but the high degree you are having, that you have to mention first. So here it is B.Ed, Gujarat University, these all things you know. Then BCom, HSC and SSC. Now some other qualifications. Here I have mentioned three qualifications: working knowledge of computers, participated in inter-school basketball championship, and certificate holder of youth festival in cultural program. So these other qualifications you can add also or you can deduct also according to the need. Then working experience. At present, I am working with St. Thomas High School as assistant teacher. Then why you want to change? So reason for change: for better prospects, and salary never mentioned in number, you have to write negotiable. Then you have to give references. That is to proper person. If the person who is going to give you the job, if they want some other details regarding you, so they can contact that person. So here two references are there. One reference is of the principal of B.Ed college and another reference is account professor of the BCom where he had got his graduation, that college. And don't forget to write the contact number, because it is the most important thing. As we know, generally people are going to ask by contact, they are not going there personally. So contact number you have to mention. Here your application part or your biodata, that is going to complete. And now some ending lines. I hope the above information is as per your requirement. I look forward to being called for a personal interview. If I am chosen, I assure of my best services always. Enclosed some photocopies of my all the certificates for your kind pursuer. Thanking you, yours faithfully, your sign and name, and enclosed as above. So here the application is going to be complete. So you have noticed, if there is different type of job application, only maximum you have to change in qualifications only, not to change more. Here you will get some ideas regarding the qualifications for some course. So go through it and try to remember that. So any kind of application you can write very nicely. Hope you have revised the application writing nicely. Now I am going to give you two more application to write, and that you have to write in your notebook along with this sample application. So tomorrow you have to send me the pics of three application writing in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello students, how are you? Hope you all will be in fine condition. Today also in writing section we are going to learn about advertisements. Students, as you know, advertisements are a medium of reaching to consumers for one's products. कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचने के लिए हम उनका यूज़ करते हैं. In this competitive world, it is important to advertise to get maximum benefits. There are two types of advertisements. One, we can say classified advertisements, and another that is display advertisements. Basically, you can create advertisement to be given in newspapers, magazines, TV, multimedias, or the cinemas. So, let's see the main features of advertisements. Some main features or the points to remember when we are going to write an advertisement, that is, let it be precise, concise and clear. वो छोटी होनी चाहिए, बहुत बड़ी नहीं, और हम जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं रिगार्डिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट वो एकदम क्लियर होनी चाहिए. यूज सिंपल एंड इफेक्टिव लैंग्वेज. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. लैंग्वेज ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो सब लोग उसको समझ सके और वो असरदार इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए. इट शुड प्रोजेक्ट द रिक्वायर्ड कंटेंट. जो कंटेंट और जो भी चीज़ हम उनको बताना चाहते हैं वो सारी चीज़ें उसमें आ जानी चाहिए. यूज अ प्रॉपर स्टाइल विथ कैची फ्रेजेस. उसमें लंबे लंबे सेंटेंस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट सम कैची फ्रेजेस, आई कैची और ईयर कैची फ्रेजेस, तो वो लोगों को एकदम से याद रह जाए, ऐसी होनी चाहिए. एंड इन अ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट you have to use a formal language, and in display advertisement it is informative yet very creative. So these are the main features. In short, we can say advertisement must be clear, precise, effective and with catchy phrases. Now let's see some of the sample advertisements. Today we are going to learn some formal, that is classified advertisement. See the very first advertisement. You are the principal of St. Francis High School, Dahod. Draft an advertisement for a daily, that is daily newspaper, under the column Situation Vacant, inviting applications for the post of librarian in your school. Now let's see the answer. You have to start with situation vacant, क्योंकि वो classified column में हमको देनी है. Wanted a librarian. No full sentence. That in day school we want librarian. ऐसा कुछ बड़ा बड़ा sentence नहीं लिखना है. Wanted a librarian. Qualification Bachelor of Library with at least 2 years experience and a wide interest in books. उसको बुक्स में इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए. सैलरी विल बी गिवन एज पर गवर्नमेंट रूल्स. अप्लाई विद इन 1 week with detailed biodata to the principal, St. Francis High School, Dahod. So within a very few words, or we can say very few lines, they have given all the information regarding their requirement. उनको क्या चाहिए, जो आदमी चाहिए उसमें क्या क्वालिफिकेशन होनी चाहिए, क्या एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, सैलरी वो लोग कितने देंगे, कब अप्लाई करना है, किसको अप्लाई करना है, all these details but in a very precise way. So this is one of the important feature of writing an advertisement. Now look towards the another advertisement. Yes, see the second one. You propose to sell your apartment as you are going abroad. Draft an advertisement to be published in the Times of India, Ahmedabad, under the classified columns. This is also very precise manner. You have to give the details of your apartment. So the heading we are going to give for sale. Apartment for immediate sale in Navrangpura. 3 bedrooms with attached bathrooms, drawing cum dining, ground floor, durable woodwork, marble floors, owner going abroad next month. Contact, telephone number is given, time is given between 6 to 9 pm and every day. Any day you can call in between 6 to 9. So students, see here, with a few lines or a few words, the address is given that it is in Navrangpura, the house having 3 bedrooms and drawing room, dining room, some woodwork done, marble flooring. So the house is in a nice condition. They have not given any words regarding the condition of the house, but from these details we can understand regarding all these things. And they have also given that owner is going to abroad next month, माने उसको जल्दी है हाउस बेचने की. So all these features we are going to combine within few sentence or few phrases. So this is one of the most characteristics of advertisement. Students, I hope that you have revised how to write an advertisement, because in 11th standard also we have already learned how to write an advertisement. Now 2 more advertisements are there that you have to write. See that advertisements. You are the principal of Navjivan School, Mandvi. Draft an advertisement for a daily under the column Situation Vacant, inviting applications for the post of an account teacher in your school. And the second one, you want to sell your old Maruti car. Draft an advertisement for insertion of the local advertisement column of a daily with all the details of the car. So these 2 you have to write according to the given example. And tomorrow you have to send me the pics of all the 4 advertisement, which 2 are given as a sample advertisement and 2 you have to write. Thank you. Have a nice day.